Good afternoon guys, it's Peter again, and today we are going to teach you how to cook the spaghetti bolognese. Let's keep going. This will be our ingredients to cook the spaghetti bolognese. Let's keep going. First of all, we are going to use the kettle to boil the water. Okay, let's start.
Still filming?
Just cut half and then chopping.
Like you cut like this, right?
No, another opposite way.
Like this?
Yeah, go straight.
Okay.
And then put it like a half. You will chop piece by piece.
Everybody has different like way to. Kind of forgot.
And just chop it.
And then different. It's too big. I know. You want smaller?
For sure. Now you don't.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's not too big?
Yeah, do chop it to small pieces.
Kind of. It's still too big, I think.
Yeah, you need to chop.
No, yeah, I'll try the other. I'm crying. Small enough?
No.
Okay.
Right, that's
like
Yeah, you're right. Exactly.
Okay, I'm going to cry. Oh.
Slow down.
I'm crying.
How do you... Yeah, I will turn on the vaccine.
Like how...
This is our beginner kitchen hand, Henry.
101. Cutting onion 101.
It says it takes 12 minutes to cook the spaghetti. Let's do it now. We have to pour the water first. Yeah. And then we will open the noodle. Yeah.
How many?
Pour all the noodle in.
You turn on the
Okay, so we will turn on the oven.
this one here.
It's on. No, it's not. It's not working this way.
Where is it?
We're gonna do it again.
Yeah, it's working.
Okay, it's
Okay,
working.
right. Okay.
I put the noodle.
Put some salt.
Yeah, where's the salt? Where are the salts? We're going to put the salt inside the water. Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
Okay, and put the spaghetti inside the water and wait for 12 minutes.
I mean, like, kind of feel.
Just put it there.
Should be like this, you know, when people do like.
No, just say dip it there.
Okay. Like this.
Okay, then I will going to fry the meat and mix with the tomato sauce and onion. We're going to use another pan to fry the meat and the onion. We're going to add the olive oil. Okay, listen now. Then we are going to pour in the onion. Inside onion. Now let's fry the onion first. And then we are going to add in the meat. No, flip the no, flip the
What? You mean like this?
yeah.
Fry like that.
I can put some pepper inside. the meats are almost cooked, then you can start to pour in the tomato sauce.
Like how many?
All of lamb.
Oh, blend?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's enough.
Yeah, I can put some water inside and then I'll show you how to mix it. I can pour again.
Water? Okay.
Yeah, well done. We're going to use the small fire for around 2 to 3 minutes. Then it will be all cooked. You need to stir the noodle in case you will stick at the bottom of the pot. And also the tomato sauce with the bolognese. Don't do that. We're going to put the noodle in the filter. Okay, that's enough. And then we are going to put the tomato sauce inside the noodle. We are going to pour a little bit the olive oil. Okay, then we will stir the spaghetti. I pour the tomato sauce. This will be the last stage for the bolognese to mix with the spaghetti.
Stir it with chopsticks.
We're going to mix it. This will be today's tutorial for the spaghetti bolognese. This will be the spaghetti bolognese for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. See you guys next time. Bye bye.